Students, in number 11 I have written I said I am okay. So here you will see that this type of sentences on I am preferring I have chosen which are having the examples, which are the examples of changing from one person to another. Okay, that means when you will change, how to change from the persons in direct to indirect, here you will get it. Number 11, I said I am okay. So I said I am okay, you know that according to the reporting verb we will change the reported verb also. It is simple past, it is simple present. So I said I am okay, so I said that, then I was okay, I will become I here. You said I don't know, you said I don't know, you said what? The direct words are these, that I don't know. So what you will write? You said that you don't know, it is simple past, so you did not know, you will become you. I said you know, I said to you, you are right. I said to you, who is saying that? I. So I said to you, you are right. So here I have written I told you. Instead of I said, you can write also told, because it is the same meaning. I told you that you were right. You were. Why were? Because it is simple past. And I said to you, you are right. So I told you that you were right. Okay. Now you said to me, you are wrong. You said to me, you are wrong. You told me that I was wrong, because you told to me you are wrong. So here who is saying that? You. So it will become you. It is saying another person to me. So what I am writing? You told me that I was wrong. Okay. So next one, that is number 15. He said to me, you should do your duty. He told me that I should do my duty. He said to me. So the person is saying to me what? That you should do your duty. That means it is my duty. So he told me that I should do my duty. 16, I said to you, he praised himself. So I have told you that instead of said you can write also told. So I said to you, so it will become I told you that. Now said is the reporting verb, and it is in the simple past form. So you can see that here praised also. So praised is it is the verb, and it is the reported verb, and reported verb is in the tense of the reported verb is simple past. So here reporting verb is simple past and reported verb is also simple past. So it will become like that. It will be we can write it as past perfect tense. Okay. So I told you that he had praised himself. I told you that. Here you can say this is the pronoun I. I said to you, I and you, then he is also there. So what I am writing here? I told you that he praised himself. So it will like that he only. He had praised himself. Okay. Now number 17, he said I will play now. He said I will play now. It is the reporting verb in the past, simple past. And what we are writing here, you can see he said that. We have omitted the inverted comma, and then we are writing that. So he said that I will play now. So it will become he. He simple past. It will be become past also, simple past also. So he would play. Now will become then. I have given one list. The words which you will get in direct speech. If you have to change into indirect, what we have to do. So there you will see that now is there, and if you get now in simple in direct speech, you have to change into indirect speech like then. Okay. So now will become then. Now number 18, you said here lived a saint. You said here lived a saint. So you said that here will become there. Here will become there. So there had lived a saint. Why had lived? Because said and here lived. both are the simple past. So here it will become past perfect. So you said that there had lived a saint, and here will become there. Now number 19, I always say I like these flowers. I always say I like these flowers. So here it is the simple reporting verb is in the simple present form, and I pronoun is there. So what we have to do now, see, I always say that I like those flowers, and one thing, these will become those. Okay, so I always say, then removed the inverted commas, and then I have put that. Then after that, I always say that I like, because reporting verb is simple present. So if the reporting verb is in the simple present form, so reported verb will be also same, so remain same. So I like, these will become those flowers. Okay, now number 20, he said I will come here tomorrow. Okay, so he said past tense, simple past, will come, it is the simple future tense. So according to the reporting verb, the reported verb will also become change. And he said I will come here tomorrow. So he said that he said I, so the person is saying as I, so it will become he will become he. So he said that he will become would. Why? Because reporting verb is simple present, a simple past form. So he would go. Here will become there, and tomorrow will become the next day. Okay, so he said that he would go there the next day. So hope you have understood. We will be practicing more and more. So thank you.